Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This October 2021, 11 variant question number 7. And what a question we have: a center of circle 5, 7 and passes through 7, 5. So best idea the teacher has suggested you, you will make, even is no need to draw accurate, but you have to sketch. And how to sketch it? This is a, center of circle 5, 2. You can see from here. And 7, 5 is 7, 5 is somewhere here. Or if I show you some concept so you can understand from here, this is the x-axis, the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 5 upwards. So I believe you understood why I have drawn this way. So this is called radius, and he's asking equation of circle to find. So how to find radius? So radius is very clear. Distance formula is this one. So what is gradient formula? Sorry, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1. So this will give us the distance. So 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 and 7 minus 5. And 7 minus 5 whole square and root. So I believe up till here clear. And if I check it, this is a 9. This is a 9 and this is a 2, 4. So root 13. So radius turns to be root 13. So I hope so. Up till here, the point is clear. Okay, so we got a root 13. Okay, and now if I ask equation of circle, so we have a equation of circle. I'm going to write here, equation of circle. Formula was very clear. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to radius square. So this a come from 5, this and this b is this one. So obviously it's nothing hard, alhamdulillah. So x minus 5 whole square and y minus 2 whole square equal to this square of this one. And square of this one give you 13. This is my final answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. First 2 marks done. A part over. B part. What is B part he asking here? Is asking that this line is intersect the circle at AB. So I just show you a different color. So this is approximately, because 5 is positive 5 gradient, and all of you know these lines. Look, I've show you here. All these lines are positive gradient, all these have negative gradient. So because of positive 5, so line is 100% this way and cutting at negative 10. And negative 10 is below somewhere here. So I will make this line here. Approximately, I'm going to make it. I'm not sure about it is correct or not. So this is a line I made roughly. And this is A and this is B. And this line, if you check it, go down, it is somewhere cutting at negative 10. So even it is a rough, but it's very close to accurate. Okay. So this is the way you will sketch. Anyway, now what is the next plan? Next plan is what, students? He's saying intersection. And you know, this line intersect the circle. So at 2 points, so I will substitute this y value, I'll place here. So y is equals to 5x minus 10. And when I replace it here, students, so x minus 5 whole square. So this value is coming here. So I'm writing here 5x minus 10 minus 2 whole square, 13. Again, I simplify and I get 5x minus 12 whole square to 13. And I'm using squaring identity, negative 2 first term, second term plus second term square. I use those for this one. And this x will come in first 2 bracket and 5 will come in next 2 bracket. X, 5, 5. Same, I'm applying this squaring identity on this also, and nothing hard. First term square negative 2 into first term, second term plus second term square equals to 13. So this 5x will come in first 2 bracket and 12 come in next 2 brackets. So I believe you are understanding if you are fully focused on screen. Here x square 2, 5 is 10 into x, I got a 10x and 5 square 25. And this is a 5 to power 2. 5 to power 2 is 25. and times 2x squared. 2 2s are, we can say here, 2 5s are 10, and 10 times 2, 12, 120. So negative 120, and I think so clear. And plus 144 is, and this 13 comes in this side. So equation this and this will give us 26x to power 2. This and this will give us negative 130x. And if I check it, 144 plus 25 and minus 13 will give us 156 is equal to 0. And I believe this part is very clear. After this, what is the plan? If I check it, it all are divisible by 26. I get this, and I get negative 5x and plus 6 is equals to 0. Let me recheck again. 1 minute, please. Yeah, it's true. Okay, now I'm going factorization. I have two choices, factorization or quadratic formula. So this into this 6x squared, and I get it negative 3x and negative 2x. I believe there's nothing hard. So x common, so I get this one, and negative 2 common, I got x minus 3. And I got x minus 3 common out, and x minus 2 is equals to 0. Either x is equal to 2 and or x is equal to 3. Both values of x I will plug in this equation. So cut from here, and I paste 2 times here and 1 paste here. And now this 2, I plug in it here. 2 5s are 10, I got a 0. And 3 5 15, I got a 5. So one point is 2 0, and second point is 3 5. So I got two coordinates, is very, very clear. It means my diagram is slightly, it means this cutting here. So this line, so it means, because I said before, the rough diagram, so it cuts like that because cutting at 0. But anyway, this is sketch only. So anyway, and what is the end question? Exact length of AB. So I'm looking for the length, so I use again this distance formula. So, but the values which we got it. So I'm applying distance AB formula, which I'm using directly now. So y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square. And for your knowledge, this 25 is a 1, and root 26. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Unit, this is our answer. And the question is completely over.